Welcome back, Marians, 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 Marians. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my last video, I told you guys that I had another Jumia order coming, which is my electric kettle, and also I told you guys I'm going to be unboxing it with you people, and now my order is here. So this video is going to be a very short video, so let's get right into it. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here and you're seeing my beautiful face for the first time, welcome. Please like and comment on my video, and also if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get right into the video. So here is my electric kettle. Yeah, I ordered it from Jumia I think it was last week or 2 weeks ago. I think it was, yeah, 2 weeks ago. Yes. So back to me. You can see. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Yeah, so this is 2.2 liters. Wow, I think I'm loving this thing. See the inside. It's really deep. I love it so much. I love it. It's nice and it is exactly what I ordered. So I think that's all. Should we test it? Okay, let's go to the kitchen and test it. And also I have another good news for you guys. So today I went to pick this up with my sister-in-law because we wanted to go to GEO to pick up something, and the Jumia pickup station where I was supposed to pick up this package was close to GEO, so we had to go together. And then she was like, what do I need an electric kettle for when I can actually buy a burner that will be serving me both for hot water and anything I want to buy? Because I actually bought this thing because I wanted to save gas. I love hot water so much, and I'm always boiling hot water with gas, wasting gas. So my husband now had to tell me to go and buy this thing, so I will not be wasting gas, and I bought it. So my sister-in-law was like, why buy this when you can actually you can buy something that will serve you for everything? So my sister-in-law got me an electric burner. Let me show you guys. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Like, I'm so happy that I have this thing. Thank you, sister-in-law. I love you so much. Thank you for always caring about me. So I think that's all for this video, guys. Then this one is actually going to be a separate video. So what we went to pick at GEO was the curtains we are supposed to put at the village house. So, and I am the one that is going to sew the curtain because I'm a tailor, fashion designer, whatever. Let me show you guys the curtains. Guys, it's going to be so much work. In fact, this period I'm going to be so busy. So let's see how it goes. Let me show you guys. So these are the curtains. These are the curtains that I got, that we got today. I'm going to be sewing everything here. So I think we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you've watched this video to this point, thank you. See you in my next video. Bye. Guys, I've put water inside the kettle. Now this time is on, and then let me turn it on here to see if it's actually going to. Yay, it's working. So let's wait for it to boil and see how good it works. So guys, I think it's boiling now. I think this thing took like 7 minutes to boil. Can you see the phone? Yeah,